this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and heads to New York City. This cowboy is running from himself.